grass and sand.
And
And
just
water.
grass and some leaves. You got your smoker going?
Yep.
You're gonna make sure you don't touch it because it's really hot on the outside, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we got your beehive that we're gonna check this morning.
I already got burned yesterday.
Yeah. We're gonna take this hive, put it up on these blocks, and we're gonna check inside, right?
Right.
And what are we gonna look for when we're looking inside it?
Queen bee.
Queen bee! So what are you doing right now, handsome? You're smoking the front of it? What do you think of your bees, handsome? How do they look?
I really look good.
Okay.
So where are the honeys?
The honey. Do you want to film, handsome?
Yeah. The one.
It's filming right now.
It's filming.
So they pull out the honeycomb here, and then they start filling it in the inside. And then they cover it up right there.
But Daddy, you keep pouring it until the video is going to be over, okay?
Oh, okay.
Because I want everybody to see this, because everybody will be happy if they see the whole thing.
The whole thing. So you can see these girls in here are putting honey inside. And what they do is they'll flap their wings to dehydrate the honey so there's not a lot of water in it. So it's just sugar.
There's a lot of bees on that one.
Yeah.
Well, if bees came to Axodus to mine. All your bees and Axodus bees came to mine. Visit.
Mm-hmm.
And now mine beehive is super field. Axodus and your bees came to help.
Take a picture of that one right there. You take a look at that. There's a little hole in there. This one's a queen cell. So when we did the split, we wanted to see a cell like this. And inside it, they made a queen.
Why is there a queen cell?
Well, that's where they make the new queen baby. Oh, so you can, I don't know if you can see it very well, but in there you can see that there are fresh eggs, tiny little eggs. Right at the very bottom, it's really hard to see, but that's what we're looking for, so we know we have a queen.
We're all scared. One touched me. And but you.
Do you see them little white things in there, buddy?
Not yet.
You see the little white dudes? The little white rolled up worms.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are called larvae.
Larvae.
So that's what they turn into when they leave the egg stage. So they're turning into bees. So we found the queen in our split. I have a hard time finding the queen, but there she is. She's got the hard back and the long bum, which is a great sign for this hive.